Virginia Stockwell, and my channel is all about becoming a personal chef. So if you have any interest in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe. And today's question is whether or not I think that meal prep kits are going to put personal chefs out of business. By meal prep kit, I mean HelloFresh or Green Apron, Sunbasket, Blue Apron, I don't know. Anyway, so a meal kit is basically go online and you order from a menu of choices. They usually have about, 10 choices, and you pick 3 that you'd like delivered. You choose them in 2 or 4 servings, and it's kind of like a personal chef, isn't it? And then you have all the ingredients and the recipes mailed to your house. Now that's where it hugely differs. So when a personal chef goes to the grocery store, we often bring our own vegetable bags and reusable grocery bags and things. And so when we come to your house, there's really not much waste. We compost, we recycle, etc. Now, when a meal prep kit comes to your house, or you can also pick them up at Whole Foods now through Amazon, since Amazon owns Whole Foods now, it comes in a box and it also has all this other packaging in there to keep it cold. And it's just a lot of materials to recycle, and it's like another step. You have to take all the crap out of the box and you have to do something with all the box of materials, basically. Whether or not it's biodegradable, it's still another step you have to do. Anyway, now you have the ingredients. You still have to chop it up and then assemble the ingredients into the recipe to create a dinner. Now with the personal chef, they're basically coming to your house, prepping all the ingredients. So it's kind of like they got the meal kit and they're making the recipe for you. And they're putting it in a container and leaving it in the refrigerator, and all you have to do is heat and serve. Now with a delivery, with a meal kit, you still have to chop it up, cook it, all that. That takes about 30 minutes, I would say, for each meal. I think they're trying to work on making them more efficient now, but really a meal does take at least 30 minutes to really put together something good. So of course, having a personal chef is way better than having a meal kit, but obviously not everybody can afford a personal chef, totally understandable. But as a personal chef, you should definitely try the meal kit and so you know what other people are talking about. But not only do we have meal kits to contend with, you know what's coming next? Robots. They have robotic kitchens. So they're building kitchens now, particularly in new construction homes. They can now make a kitchen where the stovetop and oven are behind a glass partition, and inside are robotic arms that do things like chopping things up, throwing in the pan, putting items in the oven. So they're totally working on this complete robotic kitchen right now. I mean, it is available only in new construction because obviously you kind of have to do a total kitchen remodel to make this happen. And of course it does cost like $40,000 plus. I mean, that's like the minimum small robotic kitchen, but that's the future that's coming our way. And who knows how long that could even take over personal chefs. I don't know. Who knows what the future brings. And then besides those robotic kitchens, we've got smart appliances coming our way. So I guess they have some currently in action, but I haven't seen any homes. And I do think it's probably not even a good time to buy those new microwaves or new ovens because they're coming out with them so quickly. The technology is happening so fast. If you just wait a little while longer, you're gonna find that the technology is gonna become more amazing and probably more economical too. But they're making it so you can, kind of like the meal kits, the oven or microwave oven knows that you're getting a meal kit delivered to your house, and so it's set up to just put in meal kit number 5 and it knows exactly what temperature to cook it at. So that's kind of amazing. But really, how is it gonna be different from getting like a frozen dinner at the grocery store? I don't know. But the future of food is really exciting, and I love this technology thing. But bottom line, we don't have to worry currently about meal prep kits versus personal chefs. One is heat and serve, and the other is a whole lot of prep, a whole lot of packaging to deal with, and it's just not a competition. So that's the answer to my question, very long form. Meanwhile, if you haven't received my handout about 9 ways to get new clients, I have the link to it below, but probably by the time you get to this, you already turned off the video. So if you're watching this, thank you for watching all the way to the end. So you have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.